Hello everyone, this is Mansi from the Department of CSEI from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. So today's topic is collection classes. So today in this video we'll discuss about what is collection framework, what is advantages of collection framework, methods of collection interface, collection framework interfaces. So let's talk about what is collection. So collection is an object that contains group of objects treated as a single unit. Any type of object can be stored, retrieved and manipulated as an element of collections. In Java, a separate framework called collection framework has been defined in JDK 1.2, which holds all collection classes and interfaces in it. So what is collection framework? Collection framework is unified architecture for managing collections. Main parts of collection frameworks are: first is interface. Core interface defines a common functionality exhibited by collections. And second is implementations, which concentrates classes of core interface providing data structures. The third will be operations, the method that perform various operations of collections on collections. And next we'll talk about what are the advantages of collection framework. First is it is a consistent API. The API has a basic set of interfaces like collection, set, list or map, all of the classes like array list, linked list, vector, etc. that implement these interfaces have some common set of methods. Next, it reduces the programming efforts. So a programmer does not have to worry about the design of collection, but rather he can focus on its best use in his program. Therefore, the basic concept of object-oriented programming abstraction has been successfully implemented. So the third advantage would be increases program speed and quality. So it increases the performance by providing high performance implementations of useful data structures and algorithm, because in this case the programmer need not think of best implementation of a specific data structure. He can simply use the best implementation to drastically boost the performance of his algorithm or a program. So what are the methods that are used that are of collection interface? First is add. It's an object element. It is used to insert an element in its collections. Get index returns the element at specified position in the collection. Add all, collection C, used to insert the specified collection elements in the invoking collection. Remove, object element, used to delete an element for this collections. Int size, it returns the total number of elements in this collection. Void clear, removes the total number of elements from the collection. Contain, object element, is used to search an element. Contain all, collection C, it is used to search that specify collection in this collection. So iterator, it returns an iterator. Empty, it checks if a collection is empty. So let's talk about what is collection frame interfaces. So first interface would be collection, which specify contract that all collections should implement. Set, it defines functionality for set of unique element. Sorted list, it defines functionality for set where elements are stored. List, it defines functionality for ordered list of non-unique elements. Map, it defines functionality for mapping a unique keys to the value. Sorted map, it defines functionality for the map where the key are stored. So there are collection frame interface. So collection is basically it's divided into three, that is list, set and queue. And again the set has a sorted set and queue has DQ. And map, it has sorted map, and iterator, it has list iterators. So what is collection? Whenever we would like to represent a group of object as a single entity, it is known that root interface of collection framework, but not completely. There is no concrete class that implements collection interface directly. It identifies most of the common methods which are applicable on any collection methods. So what is list interface? A list is a child interface of collection representing the group of object as a single entity with a condition that duplicates identified by index. Insertion order is preserved, and preserving insertion order by index. Index has most important role. So again the collection is divided into index, where collection is divided into list, and list has again three types, that is array list, linked list, and vector has again stack. So set interface, it is a child interface of collection representing the group of objects as single entity with the condition that duplicates are not allowed, insertion order is not preserved. So again collection interface, collection is again divided into set interface, and set is again divided into hash and linked hash set. So what is sorted set? Sorted set interface, it is a child interface of set representing the group of object as a single entity with the condition that duplicates are not allowed, insertion order is not preserved, objects should be stored in the sorted order. So collection is divided into set is divided into sorted set. So now navigational set. It is a child interface of sorted set. It defines several methods for navigation purpose. Tree set is implementation class. So collection is divided into set is divided into sorted set is divided into navigational set, and the navigational set is again divided into tree set. So there is map interface. Map interface is not a child of collection interface. If we want to represent a group of object as a key value pair, then we should go for map. Both key and values are objects. A duplicate key is not allowed, values can be duplicated. So there is again the sorted map and navigational map. Sorted map, it's again a child interface of map. If we want to represent a group of key values as per some sorting order, then sorted map is used. Navigational map, it is again a child interface of sorted map. It defines several utilities for navigational purpose. Tree map is implementation class. So thank you for watching the video.